Hi there, I'm Alexis with CHAKREDY, and today I am talking with you about belief versus judgment. And my specialty is energetics, so rather than go into the mental difference between belief and judgment as a definition, let's explore them energetically. If you haven't seen my video on the energetics of a positive and negative belief, go ahead and check that out. I will include a link below this video. And as a quick recap, a belief is something that you experience in the mind and is contained within your personal energy field, whether it holds a positive or a more negative charge. A judgment is taking this belief and projecting it either onto yourself or onto another person. So let's practice using a negative belief because those are the ones that tend to stick and stand out the most. And let's do that. So identify a negative belief that you have about food, something that you think is bad. For example, bread is bad for me. Restrain from spiraling into what is fact or what you even feel to be true for yourself. I want you to first just identify that belief and take yourself through the energetics of connecting with that negative belief. Allow the energy of it to rise up and really intensify so you can feel it in your body, rise up into your head. And now visualize another person in front of you and feel what it feels like to energetically project this belief onto another person. This can be experienced as a forward throw of this energy, which typically happens at the third eye. And when you have this energy ball of a negative belief at your third eye and you're chucking it directly at another person, that can be kind of intense, right? It can be. So a judgment has a powerful charge to it that is typically projected onto those around you. And of course, when you're on the receiving end of judgment, you are the recipient of this projection. So can you imagine how impactful this can be on a person's relationship with their body and with food, and how many judgments we experience over a lifetime? When there is not an established foundation of energetic awareness to place these dynamics, it can be confusing to be in the midst of them because everyone has different food beliefs, which are often projected as food judgments. It is a freaking football game out there of food judgments, and nobody is wearing a helmet. So, identifying what these food judgments are is very, very powerful to help you heal your relationship with food. In fact, it's a huge part of the work that my nutrition energetics training addresses. So go ahead and practice. Identify one judgment that you're projecting onto others when it comes to food. What is it? I want to know, so go ahead and share with me below in the comments if you feel so inspired. And when you do identify that judgment, that you're on the receiving end of, I want to know what that is too, so go ahead and share that below. And then if you are ready to dive in deep to heal around your food and body energetics, I encourage you to check out the Nutrition Energetics training. It's unlike anything you've experienced. And I really did wonder for a long time how in the world I would make it full circle back to nutrition when I immerse myself into CHAKREDY full force. And here it is, Nutrition Energetics has arrived. So I can't wait to connect with you more, and thanks so much for watching.